Hey guys, it's your girl Nay back with another video. So in today's video, of course, another tutorial. I'm coming with the tutorials this time around for the year because it's fall, and last year I was doing this but I didn't do it here. I did some protective styles on my TikTok as well as Instagram page. So here we're gonna just do some for this season, which is fall. I'm coming here with some videos basically, so protective styles 101, as well as some tutorials, so some inspirations for you to try. So definitely stay tuned for the video and check out my intro. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Yes guys, to my intro.
I got plenty of ambition, you should never try to sleep on me. Cause I won't stop until I'm securing the victory. Wake up in the morning with that positive energy.
So I went ahead and pre-sectioned my hair as I work better parting my hair off camera. Just so you know, I am working with freshly washed and well detangled hair. Now I am going to get my spray bottle filled with water, of course. Spritz the hair only to get it damp, not drenched, and I am going to just smooth that in, squeeze it in. I am using the Honeycomb Curl Whip by Camille for styling today. Just so you know, it has a thick, creamy texture. Just rubbing the cream between my palms for a wider application, smoothing it down my strands, then using the pour your hands method to apply the product. And then I grabbed my wide tooth comb just to ensure that the product was coated on each strand. Now I start to flat twist. I really hope that by the end of my protective season, you would have catch on to the basic flat twist. You just want to take a section of the hair that is directly beneath the twist above. And you want to continue doing this until there is no more hair left beneath the twist. Once completed, you can start twisting until you have only an inch left to twist. You want to grab your rat tail comb, detangle, add a little more product, and coil the ends. And that's it, you're good to go. I went ahead and completed the rest of my hair, leaving the main one where I applied Khalida Naturals Stronghold Edge Control around the perimeters of this section. Trying to get a clean, professional look, I used my edge brush to smooth it down. Now I am going to do the final flat twist. And we are partially finished. Length check. I'm loving this series as I get to explore more with flat twist. Can't come every week with the same tutorial now, can I? So guys, this is the finished look. I don't know. This is my first time trying doing the front with the flat twist. I love it. What do you guys think? And the edges. So I added mousse for a more professional look. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil from GOIPLE Hair Care. this, guys. You guys will see this in more of my, well, until it's finished. That's all. What the plan is really, I'm gonna bund the flat twist, and then maybe 3 or 4 days later, I'll undo it and give you guys a review. So just to look at the back, it might not look good. Don't judge me. I can't see the back of my head. So this is it.